The latest offering from Motorola, the Razr 50 Ultra, also known as the Razr Plus 2024. Motorola has built a strong reputation in the affordable smartphone market, and their newest flip phone is here to impress. In this review, we'll uncover all the exciting features and improvements this device brings. So, let's get started with our Motorola Razr 50 Ultra review. The Razr 50 Ultra is a flip-style foldable phone, meaning it folds into a compact clamshell form factor and unfolds into a typical-sized smartphone. This design is both stylish and functional, making it easy to carry around while offering a large display when needed. Compared to the Razr 40 Ultra, there are several notable improvements here. When unfolded, the Razr 50 Ultra reveals a 6.9-inch foldable LTPO main display with a 1080p resolution and a 165Hz refresh rate. This high refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and animations, making the user experience more fluid. The cover display is also an LTPO with a 1080p resolution and a 165Hz refresh rate. It's larger than last year's model at 4 inches and protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, providing excellent durability. The displays are sharp and vibrant, supporting 10-bit color, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision. However, when switching between the two screens during video playback, you might lose the ability to fit the video to the screen on the inner display. Despite this minor inconvenience, the transition between the two screens is seamless. The cover screen on the Razr 50 Ultra offers more functionality than many of its competitors. You can access supported apps, a calendar, weather updates, and widgets similar to the inner screen. Swiping down provides quick toggles, while swiping up opens a task switcher. There's also a shortcut for accessing notifications, saving space on the cover screen. The Razr 50 Ultra is equipped with stereo speakers that earned an excellent mark in loudness tests. The sound quality is impressive, with clear vocals, well-presented highs, and a good amount of bass. This makes it great for media consumption and hands-free calls. You can wake up and unlock the phone using the side-mounted fingerprint reader built into the power button. It's fast and responsive, ensuring quick access to your device. Under the hood, the Razr 50 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. While it isn't Qualcomm's top-tier chip, it still delivers flagship-grade performance. In benchmarks, the Razr 50 Ultra showed a modest improvement over its predecessor, the Razr 40 Ultra, which ran on the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. However, it lags slightly behind last year's Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, which uses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Despite this, the Razr 50 Ultra packs plenty of power for smooth multitasking and heavy gaming. The device comes with 256 or 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, which is not expandable via micros. The Razr 50 Ultra supports advanced connectivity options, now branded as Smart Connect instead of Ready for. This allows you to connect the phone to a PC or an external monitor for a more versatile experience. As for software support, Motorola has promised 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches for their recent phones, so we can expect similar treatment for the Razr 50 Ultra. One of the common issues with small foldable devices is poor thermal management, and the Razr 50 Ultra is no exception. During prolonged stress tests, the device experienced significant thermal throttling, with performance dropping by around 50%. However, this is a typical challenge for flip phones due to their compact form factor. The phone ships with a 6.8W charger but supports up to 45 W fast charging. Despite the limitation, it's an improvement over last year's 3.0W charging. With the included adapter, the phone can charge from 0 to 78% in half an hour, with a full charge taking 47 minutes. There's also support for 15W wireless charging. The Razr 50 Ultra is equipped with a 50MP main camera and a 50MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. Unfortunately, it lacks an ultra-wide lens, which might be missed by some users. However, the camera quality has seen significant improvements. There's also a dedicated 3.2MP selfie camera embedded within the inner screen. While the quality isn't as high as the main camera and it lacks autofocus, the results are still decent, providing acceptable detail and color. Overall, the Razr 50 Ultra is a well-rounded and well-crafted device, deserving of a strong recommendation if you're in the market for a modern flip foldable phone. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're looking for alternatives, check out our reviews of the Moto Razr 40 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let us know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.